Here is some bananas I just cut up. And I just wanted you to see it. They said that there are seeds in bananas, so I thought I would just look here. Right here you look, and you see the seeds here in the banana that I just cut out. And what I'm going to do is try to see if I can grow them. It's possible, and see what comes out of that. So today is August the 4th, 2019, and I just wanted to share this with you about growing different plants and different vegetables. And got a motorcycle in the background, someone's going down the street. But anyhow, yeah, and right here on my sink, and yeah, these are clean dishes, by the way, so I don't have dirty dishes. Anyhow, these are banana seeds, and I'm going to grow them and see what happens. So I'm going to plant them right now and then see if they will grow. It's only one way to find out. But before I plant them in the ground, what I'm going to do is take them and wrap them up and put them, actually I'm going to air them out a little bit and see if they'll dry out, and then plant them. So the next step is to let them stay out for a couple of days and see if they'll dry out. I'll take some more pictures and let you see if they're going to dry out. And then as I go through the process, I'll keep you updated and let you see everything that's going on. Here is 2 seeds on my finger. I don't know if you can see it, but these are 2 banana seeds. And my hand has banana all over it because I've been taking all the seeds out. But these 2 seeds are really tiny. And I'm trying to experiment to see if I can plant bananas from the seeds. I've took some pictures and I've took some seeds out from some bananas. Right now I'm drying them out to see when I plant them if any of the banana suckers, they call them banana suckers, will come out, which is banana plant. So I'm excited about this. Today is Tuesday the 6th of August 2019, and here at Shelby Wellness we're talking about plants, we're talking about health, we're talking about living healthy and taking care of our bodies and eating healthy vegetables and drinking good stuff. So like again, I'm experimenting on banana trees and bananas actually, and I just ate a banana, took the seeds out for the second time around, and now I just had 2 stick on my finger. It looks like a little cut I've got on my finger or stitches, but those are banana seeds. So if it works out, I'm just going to show you all how to plant bananas. And you don't have to worry about buying bananas in the store. You have bananas all around. You might just have to put them in a pot because of the winter. If you live in an area where there's winter, but in Florida and Alabama, they survive pretty good. Usually they die down, they come back up. Or you put them in a pot and bring them in the winter time. Okay, so this is a wrap for now, and I will talk to you all as soon again. Bye. These are dry bananas from Sunday that I dried out, and these ones I'm going to plant in a little bit, but they still need a little drying out. I just wanted you to see how they look and how the process since Sunday. Today is Tuesday, and this is a process of them. I'm trying to see. They're a little hard, as you can see there, but you can't see the seeds now because the banana is turned dark, but the seeds are there. So as soon as it dries a little more, maybe on Friday, I'll go ahead and just go ahead and plant them. Thank you. Hi there. I'm trying to plant banana seeds again. Here's the banana seeds. Here's the bowl that I cut the banana, put the seeds in the water, and try to separate the seeds from the banana. And this is what the seeds look like. And now I'm taking the seeds and drying them out, and hopefully all these calls I'm getting from Facebook, you can hear what I have to say. But this is the banana. You see the seeds? You know, so you can see the seeds there. Those are the seeds in the banana. And I've took the seeds out, and here are the seeds on the paper towel. And then after then I strip them again, and here's the seeds again on the from the banana. Here's the banana. This is the ripe banana that I bought from the store, and this is where the seeds are. So the last one that I did, I took the seeds out. I didn't soak them. I just took them out and put them to dry, and they dried pretty hard, and nothing happened. I didn't throw away the seeds at all. I just left them in a pot just in case there might be a later start. So I'm trying this one now and see how this works. So hopefully something will happen. And I will share this with you so you can also plant bananas if you're interested in doing so. Thanks for watching. Signing off on Shelby Wellness. Take care now. God bless. Bye.